Welcome to the Informant Network's How-To series. In this video, we are going to set up a file server, data backup, and access control to data. Log into the firewall using the administrative username and password. Once logged in, open the Backup Users section under the Data Backup tab. This tab shows us the two users currently created on the appliance. The Data Backup Details tab shows us the different partitions created in the file server and the access control over each of them. As an example, the sales partition currently has the user with the username test such that he or she can read and write files from the partition, whereas the username John can only read files from the partition. We will now log in using the credentials of the test user. To do this, open My Computer and click on Add Network Location as shown in this video. The network address shall be the IP address of the firewall followed by the name of the partition that was set up. You can optionally name the partition locally and then proceed to provide the login credentials as configured on your appliance. Since the test user has read and write access to this partition, we can now proceed to create files and folders in this partition. User John can also log in simultaneously using his credentials, and we will notice that a file and folder have already been created. However, since John only has read access, any attempts to change the contents of the files or folders will be denied. Since we now understand how access control works in the Unified Threat Management Appliance, we shall go ahead and create a new user and a new partition. For this, we will select the user Edmund and proceed to create a username and password for this user. Next, we create a personal partition for Edmund and allow Test and John to read the files that Edmund shall save in this folder. Since we are already logged in as user John, we can now connect to the Edmund folder. Thank you for watching this video.